Welcome back to Empowering Your Finance. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for the best tips and strategies to empower your financial journey. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart: achieving financial independence by 40. It's not just about retiring early, it's about having the freedom to design your life on your own terms. So grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's get started. Okay, let's be real. Who wouldn't want to achieve financial independence? I'm talking about the kind of freedom where you're not tied to a 9-to-5 grind, where your time is truly your own, and where your passions become your priority. Imagine waking up every morning without an alarm clock dictating your day. Instead, you're waking up excited about the opportunities that lie ahead. Maybe you'll finally start that business you've always dreamed of, travel the world without worrying about vacation days, or simply spend more quality time with loved ones. That's the power of financial independence. It's about living life on your terms. Remember, financial independence isn't just about money. It's about the options and security it provides. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions, take calculated risks, and live a life that aligns with your values. So, let's dive into the steps to make this a reality for you. Now let's talk about the cornerstone of financial independence: saving aggressively. Look, I get it, saving money isn't always the most exciting topic, but trust me, it's the key to unlocking your financial freedom. We're not talking about putting aside a few bucks here and there. We're talking about making saving a priority in your life. Think of it like this: every dollar you save today is like planting a seed that will grow into a money tree tomorrow, thanks to the magic of compound interest. That's right, compound interest is your best friend when it comes to building wealth. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. So, set a savings goal that challenges you, automate your savings so you're consistently putting money aside, and watch your financial future blossom. Alright, let's get real for a second. Achieving financial independence by 40 requires being smart about your spending. I'm not saying you need to live like a minimalist monk, but it's about identifying areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your happiness. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. You might be surprised where your money is actually going. Then, look for areas where you can trim the fat. Maybe it's eating out a little less, finding more affordable entertainment options, or negotiating better rates on your bills. Remember, small changes can add up to big savings over time. The goal here isn't to deprive yourself. It's about being mindful of your spending and making sure your money is aligned with your values and your goals. Now let's talk about putting your money to work for you through smart investing. Remember that money tree we talked about earlier? Investing is like giving it the best fertilizer and sunlight to help it grow even faster. Now, I know investing can seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. Start by educating yourself on the basics of investing. There are tons of resources available online and even on my channel. Consider diversifying your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to manage risk. And don't be afraid to seek guidance from a financial advisor if you need help creating a personalized investment strategy. Okay, we've talked about saving and investing, but let's not forget about the other side of the equation: boosting your income. Remember, the more money you earn, the faster you can reach your financial goals. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you need to work yourself to the bone. It could be as simple as negotiating a raise at your current job, taking on a side hustle that aligns with your passions, or even exploring entrepreneurial ventures. The gig economy has opened up so many possibilities to earn extra income on your own terms. The key here is to identify your skills and interests and find creative ways to monetize them. Alright, we're almost there, but there's one crucial piece of the puzzle: planning for the long term. Financial independence isn't just about reaching a certain number in your bank account, it's about creating a secure and fulfilling financial future for yourself. This means having a solid plan for retirement, building an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your financial plan as your life evolves. Remember, life is unpredictable, but having a well-thought-out financial plan can provide peace of mind and help you navigate any financial challenges that come your way. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial independence by 40. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint, But with dedication and a solid plan, you can achieve your financial dreams. It's never too early to start planning your financial future. So, take action today and start building the life you deserve. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be on their journey to financial freedom. And as always, make sure you subscribe for more tips on empowering your finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.